Hey guys, what's up? PJH up in here. What's going on? Today's an awesome day. Went to the store and found some Chrome Update baseball. That's right. I don't know when you're going to see this video, but it's Wednesday and we're going to crack these open. I'm so far back in videos that I'm trying to catch up. I got a lot of content. If you're new, please subscribe. It's free. And I bust a bunch of stuff open, so it don't matter what it is. Any sport, I open Pokemon, I open Lorcana, everything. Anyways, got a mail day real quick before we get started here. I'm gonna do 6 boxes. This is from Jumbo's Cards. Oh yeah, I think, yep. Jumbo's Sports Cards. They're out of Lima, Ohio. Go check them out. They do a lot of breaks. This is from, what is this from? This is Bowman Sterling. And we did, what's the other? I'm in so many darn breaks, I don't even know what's what. Origins football. So you gotta check these out. Well, anyways, there's a, let me get this sucker out. Colston Montgomery, rookie card. Bowman Sterling. And check this sucker out. Bam. Michael Harris, numbered to 75. On card auto. Bowman Sterling. I hit on football as well. And unfortunately, though, it's a redemption. Jahmyr Gibbs. Jersey auto. Rookie jersey auto. So, for the Lions, of course. So I did pretty well on those. Those were cheap breaks too. I think only $15 a team or something. But okay, anyways, let's open these up. So I have 6 boxes here. I have them pre-opened, of course. Save us some time. I started on this one. This is the last one. 6 boxes. Mountain of Chrome Update. And there's my wall of Prism. So I'm gonna go as fast as I can. Let's do this. Let me fix this camera here. Bo Bichette. Action Star. Pink, Robbie Grossman. Let's find that redemption. Joey Wendell, Riley Green, rookie, Pache. Put Riley right over there. There's a rookie card. Jordan Walker. Rookie card. And Mason Miller. Should not sticking over here. That's a refractor, right? Don't say. Yeah, that's got to be a refractor. And this is a sepia rookie card. Give me a second just to sleeve these bad boys up. So we could do a nice little recap at the end without scratching the heck out of them. You scratch the surface just a little bit and they're done. Carlos Vargas rookie, Soto, Bichette All-Star, and this dude. Cool little Brett Beatty there. Beatty. I haven't opened this yet. There's another refractor. Oh yeah, okay. It says refractor on the other side. There's a Miguel Vargas debut. And a nice Matt McClain. Hold on, here we go. On the sepia. That's going to SGC for the grading special they're having over there, along with other cards. Okay, moving on. I haven't opened this yet, so I would imagine that it's pretty close to chrome. Nice centering on that. Corbin Carroll, rookie debut. There you go. Another Brett Beatty. What's going on here? Okay, 2 Brett Beattys. We should at least hit one auto, one would think. There's Brett Beatty again on the 88. And Taj Bradley rookie, along with the Randy Vasquez rookie. I'm gonna sleeve up Brett Beatty real quick. Done. Six boxes. Chris Morel with the bat flip. Jazz Chisholm action star. Brett Wisely on the pink. On the pink. To the sleeve you go. So far, 0 numbered cards. There's a nice Michael Bush. That's who I'm looking for personally. One of the players. And then McClain and a few others. So cool. Joey Votto, Frank Alvarez, and there's a pink Xavier Edwards for the Miami Marlins. Okay, Grayson Rodriguez, Aaron Judge action. There's some Judge man there, and I also collect Grayson Rodriguez as well, so we can sleeve up. Moving on. This pack feels very skimpy. There's a Jordan Walker and the Future Star. Very nice. Matt Mervis, rookie debut. And Alou. This don't say refractor on them, but it's got the refractor back on it. You know what I mean? See the rainbow? But it doesn't say it right there. So maybe the rookie debut or something. I don't know. Maybe the rookie debuts are automatically like refractors or something. Just my hypothesis. Okay, Dominique Fletcher, rookie. Simeon. And Tovar. I also collect Tovar. Yes, that's right. So, we'll do Simeon. He was like a runner-up. Yeah, that don't say refractor on it either. And that's an all-star game. He was a runner-up for MVP. That dude almost won MVP. He had an amazing season. And we got this Tovar in the sepia. Rockies rookie. There's a Gundog and a Doyle. Congratulations to the Gundog for winning AL Rookie of the Year. Oh, there's a negative. Mike Clevenger, not the best player, but tough pull. Very, very tough pull. Okay, we got a pinky in this one. There's Tanner. He's a monster. He's a freak. There's James McCann on the pink. Another rookie. Mason Miller. Yeah, rookie debuts are got that rainbow background. Seth Lugo in the pink. Hernandez rookie. Altuve. And I believe the All-Star games are also rainbow too. Another Francisco Alvarez. But that's a debut. Why ain't that shining? I don't know. I just work here. Still no numbered cards. There's a Mike Bush. I was looking for him. See, and there's a numbered card there. Now that's going to say refractor down there. See it? JP France. Cody Bellinger. I also hit some, well, forget it. Well, actually, today I hit some nice cards and some group breaks. On these Topps Chrome update, I joined a bunch. So I'll have a nice little recap video on that when those come in. I hit a few autos. There's an Erie Perez. And a Jordan Walker sepia. SGC. That's going there also. This pack feels a little fat. Not fat. Feels a little fat. There's a Morel. Maybe it has an extra card in there. Oscar Gonzalez. Blake, whatever. And there's a nice pink Oswald Peraza. There you go. I love my Yanks. There's one for the Yankees. Let me open up a new pack of pennies. Okay. Next pack. We're moving. We're making moves here. We're moving along. There's Zach Neto. It's a good one. Oh, we finally got some color. And we got an Adley. And we got whoever that is. So first we got an Adley. Rutschman. Action Stars. That's a cool looking card. That probably looks very nice encased as well. We got a green down here, and greens are numbered to 99. I don't think this is going to be an auto. It's is that Cleveland or Cincy? Jose Barrio for the Reds. 45 out of 99. And the green wave. One lone numbered card. Let's get it. Another Taj. Another Corbin. We'll take it. Grayson, we'll take it. Matt Mervis, you with us. So we got another Corby. Let's get that redemption, y'all. Another Brett Beatty. Lede. There's a Moreno and a Sepia. I must say the quality on the centering and overall is better than look at the surface right now. Better than regular Topps Chrome. Topps Chrome, I mean, them things way off center. Wow, look at that. Pelton again. A Michael Bush. Negative. I'd rather have this than some scrub numbered. Michael Bush. Negative. Very nice. Finishing off here with this pack is a Julian. I'm also stocking up on this dude. Okay. Another Soto. Another Soto. Can we go? Oh, we almost got 3 Sotos back to back. Here's the last pack out of that box. Garrett action. There's a Perez on the sepia. On the sepia. Man, we're 20 minutes in. Hold on, I got guessed. Taj. Rodone. Pet, or fam. What's up, fam? Nothing, chillin'. Hey, fam. What's good? What's good? Okay. Joey. Another Perez. Mike Trout. And a Tigers rookie. Let's see if these roller marks come off. Right there. Don't appear to. So there's a Hernandez. There's a Moreno. They don't have the update or whatever you call it. Rosario. That dude. Debut. They don't have the debut. He already has a Chrome rookie, right? Am I imagining things? Okay. There's another BB. Ooh, look at that Julio, just sparkling. Still has the rookie cup. Yeah, it's real nice. And there you go, Batfoot Morel in the pink. Very nice. So, no autos. There's Josh Young. On a refractor. Schuster, there goes the Volpe, Patrick Bailey, very nice, in the sepia. Nice buns, buddy, look at them. Pro Homo. Alright, Patrick Bailey on the sepia. Oh, we got some color. We got some color. And it's numbered to 99, of course. I hope you guys didn't cheat. Arenado. Xavier Edwards. We're going to have to make another pile here. Bobby Miller. And another red. Stuart Fairchild. Son of a biscuit. So another green, number 1099. Another red. Look at that. See, they know we're in Ohio. No autographs. But we're not done. Adley. Yoshida and Monasterio. Jordan Walker, Action Star. What's Wong? Connor Wong. Okay, what else can we pull here? Tatis. Ooh, 2 back-to-back and Julio. Man, that was a whole pack full of inserts. There's Casas. Give me a pack full of numbered cards, huh? You want to do that shit? Why don't you do that? Weimer again. Orlando Arcia. There's another Perez. Jordan Walk. Walk. What did you say? Walk. Okay. Bad Pet Terror cover. Okay, here we go, y'all. Serious now. Because we're coming down to the final packs here. There's a Moreno, Jordan Alvarez, Patrick Corbin, and a sepia of this dude for the Texas Rangers. Final packs, 3 left. Rookies, nothing crazy. Mike Trout, Weiss, rookie. Final pack. And a Volpe. Check that out on the sepia. For the PC. Way to end it. So, quick recap. Quick little recap. Out of 6 boxes, here's what we got. We got Volpe, sepia. Jordan Walker, 88. Josh Young. Jordan Walker, Action Star. Yoshida on that refractor. Patrick Bailey, sepia. Volpe with the buns. Josh Young, All-Star. Morel, pink. Julio, All-Star game. Rookie Cup. Moreno, rookie. Perez, sepia. Julian. Michael Bush, negative. Moreno, Blue Jays, rookie debut. Sepia. Corbin. Peraza, pink. Sepia. Walker. Perez on the refractor. Michael Bush. This dude, refractor. Frank Alvarez, base debut. Negative. Gundog, 88. Tovar. Sepia. I don't know how I even put that in there. Jordan Walker, Future Stars. Matt Mervis. Rodriguez. Aaron Judge, Action. Xavier, pink. Another Michael Bush. Weasley, pink. Beatty. Corbin. Vargas, refractor. Matt McClain. on the sepia. Jordan Walker, refractor. Mason Miller, sepia. 2 numbered cards to 99. 2 Reds players. No rookies. That's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. More to come.